How to add grid lines to your Excel spreadsheet. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. Then simply click on View, which is on top beside Review and Help. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find grid lines option. If you don't want any grid lines, simply make sure there's no tick mark. And to add grid lines, make sure there's tick mark in grid lines, as you'll find grid lines above formula bar and below review. And as you can see, this is how to add grid lines to your Excel. This is how to add grid lines to your Excel spreadsheet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.